In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap two rows in Google Sheets. If you need to rearrange data and place one row where another row currently sits, Google Sheets makes it fairly simple once you know where to click and drag. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the manual way to swap two rows so your sheet stays organized and easy to read. First, go to your Google Sheet and open the spreadsheet where you want to make the change. Before moving anything, it helps to quickly look at the two rows you want to swap so you're clear on their current positions. This can prevent accidental movement, especially if your sheet has a lot of information. Next, click the row number on the far left side of the screen for the first row you want to move. For example, if it's row 5, click the number 5. This highlights the entire row, which tells Google Sheets that you want to work with that full horizontal line of data, not just a single cell. Once the row is highlighted, click and hold that same row number again to grab it. This is the part that allows you to move the row. Make sure you're clicking on the row number itself, not inside one of the cells, because clicking inside a cell will only select that cell instead of the whole row. Now drag the row up or down, depending on where the second row is located. As you drag, you'll see a dark gray line appear. This line is important because it shows you exactly where the row will be placed when you let go. Take your time here and watch the line carefully so the row lands in the correct position. Move that gray line to the location of the second row, then release your mouse. When you drop it, Google Sheets will shift the rows neatly into place. This makes it easy to reposition the first row without manually cutting and pasting any data. To complete the swap, repeat the same process for the second row. Click its row number on the left to highlight it, then click and hold the row number again to grab it. Drag it into the original empty space left by the first row, using the dark gray line as your guide, then drop it into place. After that, the two rows will have swapped positions. If anything doesn't look right, just pause and check the row numbers before moving again. With a little practice, this becomes a quick and reliable way to reorganize rows in Google Sheets.